As far as where that fryer is, in your data panel, go to the very top of your project list and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And these are where the sample files are. And if I go into design samples, there's the air fryer. A bunch of other things as well. And I'll go into the air fryer. And just as a quick note, there's a couple of folders that don't automatically get copied over, and I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. But here's that air fryer, and you can open up that primary assembly. It takes a few moments. I say it was build up. There we go. And somebody thought it was a good idea to tell us what an air fryer is. That canvas is dropping in and out. Frankly, I'm not too worried about it, but yeah, it used external assemblies and electronics and the plastic part design tools that are within the design extension. And like I said, I don't care. So I just turned that off. But up here, samples are not savable. Use the save as command. Well, if I just said save as, that doesn't work because that's really if this was a internal design, no external references. So what I did on this, and what you can do is I hit copy, and I'm not going to go through the copy. I already did it. It took about, I think it was probably about 5 minutes for the whole thing to actually run. And now it's thinking, oh, as a note, this is not one of those things I recommend doing on a live webinar because now I've got dead air time. I have to, yeah, that wasn't too bad. 54 externally referenced designs. These designs will also be copied. And if I hit continue, I'd be telling it where to go. What I did was did that earlier today. So up here's the project that I've been working on for today. There's the folder. I gave it this name. And I'll close out this one without saving. I'm not allowed to anyway. That samples folder is read-only. Anything in there you're allowed to go and get, but it is a read-only folder. And let this open up. One of the things I like about this is in the past sample files tended to be just bodies, not features, not sketches, that kind of thing. And now this one, yes, I still don't care about the canvas, but oh, let's say if I take a look at this knob, in fact, I will open it. And you can see I've got a series of sketches and extrusions and patterns and so on. This is really how it was built. Nice improvement over similar examples in the past. The other thing I will mention, see, we're getting to the 35-minute mark, but other thing I will mention is I'm a huge fan of showing the colors, and those colors match the colors up here in the browser. And if you're not familiar with it, it's in the settings for the timeline, component color swatch. This way I can see really what's there. I don't do it nearly as much, but if you really feel like, I don't know, it's not really testing your graphics card, it's more how bad your eyes are going to hurt. I can also turn on the display of the color components, and that matches the bars here with the colors here.